Figures of medication errors are more than 1 million at global scale, and more than 100,000 errors result in death. Let's learn the principle of 8 rights for drug administration. Physicians write the daily drug order in the digital system. No abbreviation is allowed for drug orders. Electronic order that is entered by physicians can be seen on the monitor by the pharmacist. The pharmacist writes and approves special notes about all drugs. The drugs that are delivered from the pharmacy are checked and placed into drug boxes by nurses. Drug-drug interactions, drug-food interactions, side and adverse effects, and issues requiring attention and administration, as well as safe dose range for pediatric patients, are checked over vademecum. A patient-specific barcode is printed where identity details and drug info are available. The drug is checked over both barcode and electronic drug order. Dose of the drug is calculated. After powder preparations are constituted, volume of the dry powder is calculated. High-risk drugs are checked twice in line with the principle of 8 rights before they are prepared. Hands are washed and gloves are worn before drugs are prepared. Drugs are reconstituted immediately before they are administered. The nurse affixes the patient-specific barcode where identity details and drug info are available on the drug. The drug is administered immediately after it is prepared. Gloves are removed and hands are washed after drugs are prepared. A new glove is worn in the patient's room. Identity is verified before the drug is administered. Patients are educated on name of drug, the intended use, and potential side effects, and verbal consent is obtained from the patient. Drugs are administered by the nurse who prepared the drug through the correct route. For oral preparations, it is necessary to verify that the drug is swallowed by the patient. Drugs are administered at pre-scheduled hour and rate. No drug is left near the patient. The syringe needles are disposed to the yellow box that is available, the treatment tray, and gloves are removed before leaving the room. Treatment tray is arranged and waste is properly disposed. Hands are washed after a drug is administered. Electronic check is required after the drug is administered. It is necessary to specify reasons in writing if the drug is administered before or after the scheduled hour. Reassessment may be required depending on the time of action, and findings of observation are recorded. Everybody deserves healthy care. We can help prevention of medication errors. We can prevent medication errors by following principles of 8 rights.